Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we've got the Makita drill, model number XFD10. So we're just going to be going through the basic features of this drill and we'll show you how to insert a drill bit. So the first thing is how to remove the battery, and that you just press this button and slide out, and then to reinsert the battery you just line it up with the grooves, push in until it clicks like that. Then working our way up the drill, you can see this is our forward and our reverse. So right now, with that pressed in on that side, we're in reverse. And when we press in this side, that's forward. This is a 2-speed drill, so you can see we have speed 1 and speed 2. Speed 1 is the lower speed, and then speed 2 is the higher speed. And then this dial right here, this is all of your torque settings. So we have 1 being the lowest torque, and then it goes all the way up to 20, or actually 21. And then this would be your highest torque right here. Now we'll show you how to insert a drill bit. You can see it has this chuck that just spins to tighten or loosen. So all we'll do is just loosen it up, put a bit in, and then just tighten it down. And when you tighten it, you could actually hear it click to tighten. And then you see it comes with a nice little light. When you pull the trigger, the light goes on. And yeah, guys, pretty simple tool. That's the Makita XFD10 cordless drill. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It helps me grow, helps me create more content. So yeah, guys, that's it. Have a good day. We'll see you next time.